Hi guys, so today we'll be watching KREEK DISSTRACK on KAYLUS, SND, and FOLTYN. Let's check it out.
Wait, KREEK, I just want to say, if I have no nuts, then...
Oh no, let's skip this part. Let's skip this part.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so why is he wearing his horse? Okay. Took you 2 months.
I got better things to do. Trying to bury me over brain rot feud. Use my mom to diss me. That was even low for you. Gotta call the cops for this elderly abuse. You claim you into me.
He's telling himself he's old.
Be alive. You can't stop the goat. Legends never die. You're a sand setting records. Summer's flying high. Gonna stomp all over you.
Look at this. Look at this. So you have 14 million. KAYLUS original channel almost has 20 million. So I don't think you're stopping.
Guys, I'm back.
Oh, never mind. So I don't think you're stopping over. Man.
You can't stop the goat. Legends never die. You're a sand setting records. Summer's flying high. Gonna stomp all over you. Can't wait to see you cry. You dissed me for the years and you made fun of the flannel. Y'all just jealous what I built. Only needed one channel. You can't start a fight that I know you can't handle. Got a smear in this scandal. Gonna call me a vandal. Yo, KAYLUS, what's poppin'? Your hair is coming to.
This is kind of fire. What is this? What is on this green screen? Bro, do you know how much water you wasted to generate those? Kids in Africa are now... No, never mind. No, starving kids, and they're thirsty. Very thirsty. Are more thirsty because of you, KREEK.
Only here because GTA Islam isn't a trend. You're mad because I outplayed you. Dragon you couldn't defend. Only got that brain rock because you would send me more than friends. I know we're cousins, but I still think you're weird. Sitting
Your cousins!
there with broccoli hair and a patchy beard. Swearing in your diss track just to get it cheer. Your reputation is done. You're what mothers fear. Infinite is old. No one showed up for your vids. So you jumped to Roblox because you're desperate for the clicks. Now you're only getting views, making vids for little kids. The fans only hear, man. They never did. Now you call yourself a dad. That's the wildest claim. You just paid others to do it. Now you're taking the fame. Water Park's only working because you use Queso's name. Without Goob Lagoon, no one's playing that game. Gotta give you credit. Some streets are full of views, but it's only because of brain rot to add.
Admin abuse? Bro, don't you talk. You do it every time.
Abuse, you'll never reach my level. Biggest streamer in the news. Pick the fight, you'll never win. I'll take a knee and lick my shoes. Take a seat right there, steak. Watch the chef while he cooks. I'm gonna hardball this egg with flow, aura, and looks. This beatdown's gonna be in the history books. Bro's got poopy in his pants cause I got him shook. Shut up, steak. All you do is whine and shout. New beanie pizza, needy level streamer got no clout. Go back to
You just...
sticking your sticky feet in your mouth before I show you how we settle things down south. I'm the original baldy, you know I started that trend. You only got traction because I called you my friend. You tried to rizz up queso, but that got you banned. You'll always be the fattest streamer in the land. You did the same with Skibbity, using the name. Screaming at each episode is how you found fame. You just run around and tell people you're part of that game. All that ended up is being an egg in one frame. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Had to use my name to climb up that wall. All of your family and all of your friends send their regards because this is the end. Oh, FOLTYN, I almost forgot you were there. KAYLUS wannabe with the mop for hair. You said you spank me with your blacks? That's a cute little thread. I'll get you down with this button. A fight you're gonna regret. It's so cute when you act all big and tall. Anyone who's met you know you're not tough at all. I'll keep this fist like you.
What is this guy doing now?
Fam took a fall. I'm done toying with my food. Ain't playing pretend. You boys thought you buried me? That was the end. We're back to GTA because we'll never amount to anything. The biggest mistake you made was stepping into this ring. You picked a fight with me and all the green beans. Take the L and admit I'll always
Bro. Sammy hit. Oh my god, this guy.
be the Roblox king. I'm done being family friendly. I'm making the switch. I'm better than all of you sons of a...
No. Oh my god, KREEK. KREEK. Okay. that's the end now. Bye-bye, guys.